Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you enjoyed our content and love exploring new recipes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification. That way you will never miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching and let's dive into the tasties of Baf Baf. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix everything as much as I can. One of the big secrets is to mix them very well. It's so important to be mixed. And sometimes, maybe the castor oil is only 30 grams, but sometimes maybe I need to put just a little more castor oil, and I'm putting some more. I will use some more, but I want to like to make it just a little more. So I will use just a little more red clay powder. This time I don't want to make them really dark, so I will try not to make them really dark. I like this color, I love it actually. So now I'm going to add my aroma. Just a little more. Oh, you see there is some more. That's very interesting, Okay. So now I'm going to use my rose. I do it several times. I add, it smells so wonderful. I'm telling you, it smells so wonderful. You see, it still has the sodium bicarbonate, I believe is this. So let me try it just a little more. Because I don't know if you are familiar or I don't want to exceed a percentage on according to IFRA. That's the Europe regulations that they are going to come very soon, in our country too. That's prohibit, too much aroma. Okay, I don't know if you see, only that it's starting. So my next, it will be to put what I'm doing. I'm using this. And this is my hazel. I will put some, just a little, not a lot. So you will see that it's going to freeze, like it's doing, and this is normal. But as I told you, maybe it needs just a little more oil. I will put just a little more oil, not too much. To give some moisture. Let me make my first test. Let me test it. It's not bad, okay, but I will put just a little oil. Maybe one or two. As I was telling from the beginning, sometimes you need some extra oil. I believe now it's so good. I don't know if you see it now, how it looks. That's a perfect how it has to look. So what I'm going to do, I will use, my petals on the side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to use some petals inside. I will add as much as I can from one side and the other side. And I do it like this, as hard as I can, so it will take shape. Oh, no good. One more time. Maybe I have to take out some. Oops, sorry. Today I'm very tired, so maybe that's the problem. Here and here. And I put it next to me, okay? You can see. I hope that you can see. You can see how many we make. They look wonderful. So I will let them dry for tonight, and after I will package them. This is the big size. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you're enjoying exploring these amazing bath bombs with me. If you try out the recipe, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. You can find the full recipe and all the details in the description of the video. If you joined it, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out our future content. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting and happy holidays!